Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glow vibration effects in CapCut. So I'm going to make these effects as transition. So what you need to do first is add the glow effect. Go to the video effect, click on the lens category and add the edge glow effect. Okay, this one. Adjust the glow to how you like it. I'm going to go with 40. Click on the check icon and place it in between the clips or photos. So here I'm going to copy it and put it like this. Now add the second effect, which is the vibration flash. You can find it under the nightclub category. Vibration flash. Let's search it. Okay, this one, click on the check icon. So I'm going to just use the default setting, so I'm not going to change everything on the effect. Okay, click on the check icon and put it the same like the first one, the first effect. So it's actually done, but you can always add the other effect like the slash vibration effect. Then you can also find it in the nightclub category. So here is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.